Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today magluluto ako ng quick and easy menu which is eggplant with ground pork, bagoong, white onions, and garlic. Fry lang natin lahat ng ingredients. Naglagay din ako ng black pepper powder and little bit of salt to taste. Naglagay din ako ng red chili. Start na tayo. Ayan, nag-fry na natin yung garlic and onions. After, nilagay na natin yung ating eggplant. So, mix lang natin. Fry na rin natin yung ating ground pork and bagoong. Lagay na natin yung ating black pepper. Yung ating salt. Mix lang natin lahat. Mix lang natin. Naglagay tayo dito ng half cup of water para lumambot yung ating eggplant. Very simple and easy menu lang ito guys. So, everything kailangan paglagay mo, hahaluin lang natin until done sa ating pagluluto ng ating menu. So, toppings na natin yung ating red chili. Check na natin if taste good na yung ating menu. Ayan, na-taste na natin since na-taste na natin at everything is fine. Taste good na. So, done na tayo sa ating menu. Here are our finished product. Low budget and easy recipe. Very yummy and taste good. So, I hope you're enjoy watching my video. Thank you guys, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye everybody.